I'm as pink as my jersey is.
You are as pink as your jersey.
I don't think the lipstick helped at all. I think it's just made me look more pink. I've made an attempt at least to look human. All right, hello everybody. Hi. So happy Easter! It's Easter Sunday today, the day this video is going up is Easter Sunday, so happy Easter. I hope you're all having a fantastic Easter weekend. We're doing something slightly different for this special Easter video and for this video just in general, because it's not really a cooking video today. No, we're having an Easter egg hunt for the dogs. Yeah, the woof woofs, they're gonna have an Easter egg hunt. We're kind of winging it in terms of making these Easter eggs for the dogs. We've got some, what are these? Liver cakes. Liver cakes that my mum has made. I'll put the recipe for these in the description down there if you guys want to make these.
Delicious treats.
Delicious treats, dogs do love them. We're gonna mix those with some dog food and some peanut butter. And then we're gonna make some eggs, put them in the freezer and hide them and see if Hollywog can find them. We're gonna just give Blessing his because we don't need fights breaking out over Easter eggs. So Holly will find hers. Blessing's just going to enjoy his. He's an old man. He doesn't have to hunt for his treats. All right, so let's do this. What?
You know where to find the peanut butter?
No, I found it. Hey. So I'm throwing everything in the food processor. Did I say that? I don't know.
I don't know.
Did I call Blessing the poop?
Yes.
Oh. Now you know. Our dog's name is Poop. Not really, it's Blessing. But he is the pooperoo. Okay, so half a cup of dog food into the food processor that you can't see because my mom doesn't want me to film in the pantry. Then we take half a cup of liver cakes. So there you go, half a cup of, this was slightly more than half a cup of liver cakes in the food processor. And then some peanut butter, I need a spoon.
I think maybe whiz those into a crumb first.
Clever, Mum. My mum's clever. We're gonna whiz those into a crumb first. Starting to smell bad. Not much is happening. Milk?
A little bit of milk.
We're in vlog mode now. Yeah, hello. Milk. There's the milk. Oh God, what am I pressing? I'm pressing buttons. There we go. Milk. Putting the lid back on. Mmm, delicious. Yum. That looks like puke. We're gonna put it in a bowl now. My mum's in her farm clothes, don't judge. Okay, now we add peanut butter and we mix it up. This is my mum's recipe from now on. This is her channel.
You may want to use
I want to use the spoon. This is not good for mixing. I'm not a big fan of peanut butter. Maybe a bit more peanut butter. Lucky dogs. Spoilt creatures.
I hope they like peanut butter.
So now we're going to spoon these out onto a tray and make eggs and then put them in the freezer for a bit. Let's find a place to do that. We'll go over to the table here. Look at this nice living area. Hi. So, we're now gonna make eggs. Yay! I'm gonna try and form these into little eggs. There we go. It's an egg or a poop, either one. What?
They look disgusting.
They do. They look absolutely repulsive. So I said it looks a bit like a poo. I mean, I don't know if food coloring is safe for dogs to eat. Because I've got some nice food coloring.
You know what might work? Is to put a little bit of food coloring in some coconut oil.
Yes.
And then just coat them with that and then stick them in the fridge.
Okay, so like making kind of an icing for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Because these don't look good. At least this is making quite a few Easter eggs. Or things that came out the other end of the rabbit, really. Stop it. I'm trying. I'm trying to make them not look awful. That looks almost worse.
No, these ones really look like dog poos.
You gotta make them look a little bit like an egg, Mum. Okay. Now to try and make these look a little less disgusting. So, as my mum advised, we're going to use some coconut oil and food coloring and like try and coat them a little bit. So let's do that. So the plan is now to put these in the freezer for a bit so they're really cold, so that the coconut oil hardens when it touches these. So, yeah. Okay, so these have been in the freezer for a little bit. We have some coconut oil with food coloring in it. I mean, non-toxic should be okay. So I got the go-ahead from my mum to do this. It was her idea. So we're gonna try and decorate these things so that they don't look quite so awful, because they're not looking too pretty at the moment. The hound. She knows! She knows! Okay, they're done, kind of. Hold on, let me actually go show you the finished product. That is in the fridge, the freezer. It's over here. Boom, 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 boom. Aren't they pretty cute? They almost look good enough for a human to eat. Almost, but not quite. So to get them to this point takes about 4 or 5 coats. Yellow is not the best color for coating, but hey. We melted it, rolled it through, and I just kept doing that. And you put it in the freezer for a bit, take them out, do it again, and it takes about 5 coats to get them nice and colored, I suppose. So they look kind of cute now. So yay. Now we're just letting them cool down for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna do an Easter egg hunt with Hollywog. Okay, cool. See you in a little while.
Day 2.
It's Easter egg hunting time. Look at them, they're so cute. Here's the Hollywog. She's ready. She's so excited. So, Mum's getting her on a leash. There we go. Oi. And I'm gonna go and hide these around the garden quickly.
No peeking.
No peeking, Holly. No peeking. The desperation. Right, one by the bird bath. Right over here. I'll help her if she can't. There's another one over there. That one's hard to see. Let's put a pink one over there. Beautiful. Oh, let's put one on the windowsill. Oh, look, it's Boo. Look at her. She's being adorable. Hey, my baby. She's like, Mom, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mom? There's one right by the cat. Now we're coming over here. I'm clearly not making these very difficult to find. One over there. And let's put another pink one over here. Boop. Let's put one here by the wheelbarrow. On that little rock over there. Is Blessing gonna find them? This one by the bushes. Oh, honey, you're so excited. All right.
Are they on the edges?
They're easy to find. Oh, Holly. This bowl is empty, baby. It's not, it's a lie. All right, let's do this. Hollywog, are you ready to find some Easter eggs? Yes. Yes, let's go. There's one right here. Right here. Oh, Holly. Holly. Holly, what's this? Okay, well, the nose is working.
Smell it.
Oh, she found it. Good girl. Good girl, was that nice?
Yummy.
Oh,
we're gonna
I know, Blessing one's one.
For the next few months.
There's one over there. Paper, come. Come. Blessing. Blessing, come. Oh, Galumpa. It's going all over. She's just going back to the bowl. Holly. 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 Holly, no, those aren't for you. That's not the game. You gotta use your nose, baby girl. What's this? What's that? Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh, Holly got it.
Poor old creature's sucking behind the egg yet.
That's why he's got some in a bowl. We didn't think that he would find them.
Look.
You must go look, Holly. You must go look. You gotta come look, Holly. What do you see? What do you see?
Use your nose.
She's like, I don't know what that is. Pooparoo, come. I got a really easy one for you, my boy.
Honey.
What's this? Yum! Not too sure about it. Holly. Holly. Good girl. Honey.
Now she's hunting. Oh, now she's got the idea.
Now she's got the idea. I put one here.
Where are you going, Holly?
Holly, those are in the fridge. They're gone. Go sniff around. Yes. Snoof, 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 snoof. Good girl. There's one more, last one. Oh, you missed it. Holly. No, here. Here, Poop. Here, what's this? What's this? Oh, good boy. Good boy. Where is she? Hunting for eggs. Do you not like them, boy? Did you eat it? Did you eat it? Yummy. All done. All done. Now we've got some special rewards for the Pooparoo. Oh, blessing platzed.
I know, but we're out of it. Oh, sorry, boy.
Dad, get the eggs out of the fridge.
All finished, all finished.
Oh, it's not all finished. There's more eggs than Holly knows.
Oh.
Holly knows.
You know about the eggs.
Okay, those are for Poop though.
Yeah.
Blessing, blessing.
You
sit. Oh, such a good big. Oh, such a good boy. Blessing, sit. Oh, Holly. That's a good sit, Holly, but this is for Blessing. Okay.
No. She's not allowed to have them.
We'll take her away.
Come here, Holly.
Sit, sit. Oh, so good. You're such a good boy. Holly, it's not for you. You've had more than enough. Oh, so good, my boy. So good. Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Yay.
Yummy, yummy. Oh, all done. All done. Hey, hey, Pooparoo. Oh, Holly Wog. Oh, all done. Oh, little houndlets. So that's that. Some happy and wholesome content for you all. Happy Easter. Enjoy it. She's now going to think forever that there's food wherever I point my camera. So that's that for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Have a very happy Easter. Let me know if you liked it. Leave a like. Let me know what you thought of this video down in the comments below. And yeah, if you want to support me in this channel, then please subscribe. Okay, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy Easter, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Still looking for more. The hunt is never